Good afternoon, brother.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Must Can we start with the name so everybody can know you there?
My name is Leon Lena Puti Muloi.
Oh,
That is my
thank
name.
you.
Yeah.
First question, a very beautiful question.
Yeah.
How long and how much time do you take to teach the children how to play these drums and how to enjoy doing it, but not out of force?
Yes. It will depend from kid to kid. You see. So obviously some will learn quicker. Khona abanye abazothatha isikhathi yabo. So mina my job is to try to accommodate bonke yabo. And then when I feel ukuthi bonke manje sebaphethe the music, then we can play the song. But so it doesn't take much. It depends on the kids. I think 3 months would be enough to learn an instrument or so. Yabo. So yeah, depends.
Would you say is the kids' preferred instrument that all of them like they love playing it?
Yeah, so kids enjoy instruments. Kids enjoy sound. You see, so it could be anything. They pretty much from a shaker to a djembe drum to a marimba. Those are the instruments we use. So we use mostly indigenous instruments. So we don't have Western instruments, abo. So aswaticha makita na mapiano. Marguo la waswaticha. Ijembe. Many students want to play djembe. Many students want to play marimba. Bonke bafuna ukusheka. Yabo, so music abantwana bayawuthanda into yethu thina futhi abantwana babantu abamnyama. It's almost like it's an inbred thing, into nje esikhula ngayo yabo. Yeah, so
Do you,
enjoy all.
do you say the kids that you teach, the kids that you produce, do they enjoy you and Mem's company?
Yes, because you see, we are like their parents away from home. Yabo. So when they come to us, they know they're coming to their parent as well. So I look after them, I talk to them, I take care of them like their parents would do.
Oh,
Yabo, na.
lovely.
So yeah, we get together.
Okay, can we also get the name of the school? If is it a school or is it from other schools, or you participate in specific schools?
Yeah, so we are an NPC, we are an organization that caters for everybody. Yabo. So our organization caters for children in and around Soweto. You see, so they come through and it's called Ugubhu Nezinsimbi Zomculo Wesintu. Yabo. We are based right now at the MICAM, which is the Morris Isaacson Center for Music. That's where we are based every Monday, every Wednesday, every Thursday from 3 till 5. That's where we run our program. So our program is open for anybody, all ages, actually, just that kids are more.
Do you guys know your details by head, email address, ne phone number?
Yeah, so ungasicontacta ku-ugubhu nezinsimbi zomculo wesintu @gmail. So that's when you can send an email address, an email. And then you can check us at ugubhu nezinsimbi zomculo wesintu official Facebook page. It's called official ugubhu nezinsimbi zomculo wesintu official Facebook page. So you can check it out on Facebook. And then yeah, so far those are our main communication points about. Yeah.
Nikhona na ku WhatsApp?
Not really, not right now. Yabo. So we have a group for parents. Yabo. Yeah, but we don't have a group where people can contact us already. Yabo. So you'll have to come through to the school or send us a message on Facebook and then we will attend to it. Otherwise, you come physically to the school, MICAM, which is Morris Isaacson Center for Music. It's next door, the historic Morris Isaacson High School.
Oh, thank you, sir. Such a nice day. Please enjoy today and happy Freedom Day.
No, thank you so much. And thank you to everybody who's going to be watching this. Hope everybody enjoys. Thank you.